Welcome to your wine pronunciation video, Italian wine pronunciation video. We are looking at how to pronounce this very important word in the world of Italian wine. We are looking at how to pronounce Classico. You will find this term Classico used in various regions around Italy to designate the heart of the appellations when a wine comes from the very heart of the historic appellations such as Chianti or Valpolicella, but also the white wine appellation of Soave in the north of the country. So how do you go about pronouncing Classico? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Cla and then si, because I in Italian comes down to the sound E, like double E, classi, and co. You do want to emphasize on the first syllable, classico, because there is a double S here. Do insist on the double S as well. So say classico for the typical Italian pronunciation, classico, like Chianti Classico, Chianti Classico, or Valpolicella Classico. You will also find some Soave Classico. Some classical wines may be called Riserva, or may as well as Superiore. Chianti Classico Riserva Superiore, for example. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of vino. Au revoir. Ciao, ciao.